So back to school season is upon us, and we definitely need to get our grades in check for the start of the semester. And I wanted to find a note-taking app for my laptop because I made a video on note-taking with the iPad. But what if I don't have an iPad and I don't have an Apple Pencil, but instead I have a laptop? What apps can I use to help me take better notes with my laptop?
Guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Updf, which is an all-in-one ultimate PDF editor that changed my life when it came to handling documents. It's absolutely incredible what this app changed for me because it's such a game changer for professionals, people who are students, and people who like to keep their life very organized. And yeah, this is why I'm going to be talking about Updf in this video and the amazing features that are in this app that make it way more than just a PDF editor. Updf is absolutely amazing because it has such a clean, minimalist, sleek UI that makes it very, very user-friendly. So if you're somebody who isn't very techy, doesn't like technology, this app is amazing because it lets you do complicated things in a simple way. And that's what Updf is all about. Yeah, okay, Alina, I see that there are a lot of PDF editors on the market. So like, what makes Updf so different? That's actually a very great question. So let's dive into the coolest features of Updf that make it stand out from other PDF editors. Let's talk about the first feature, which is the AI assistant. And me personally, I love this feature because you give it any document, you upload that file onto Updf's AI feature, and then after that, it translates the entire document, it converts the entire document, it summarizes the entire document. There's so many things you can do with this, and even if this PDF was 100 pages long, it would still give you a summary of that document. And the next thing is that it can also translate an entire PDF for you into any language. There's a wide variety of languages that they offer, including French, Dutch, German, Japanese, and it's very, very good in case you need to do this very often. And the AI will help you to translate the PDF and you don't really have to do much. It's just really making your life very easy and very efficient because for note-taking, for editing documents, for summarizing documents, it's just the best study app that I found personally because I was on the lookout for study apps for a long time and I found this app and I just think it's so amazing, so I wanted to share it with you. And the next feature that we have is a mind map making feature. This feature really sets it apart from some other study apps, but I honestly find this feature so useful because it makes a mind map for you within seconds, and it does this by branching out each topic and each subtopic and every definition into this wonderful mind map that you can move around, you can touch it, it's interactive. It's an interactive mind map made for you with your PDF in just seconds. And I find this like so useful, especially when I'm studying something and I'm cramming for an exam, I don't have that much time. Boom, I can make a PDF just like that, and I can make a mind map out of that using Updf's AI feature. So yeah, this is another thing that really sets it apart. Have you ever found yourself in a lecture or some sort of class and they give you lots of study materials, but they don't give it to you in Word or PowerPoint format, but they just give you the PDF just like that? Well, if you have that problem, then Updf has you sorted as well because it has a feature where it uses AI and it uses OSCR features, which is AI text recognition, and it can recognize whatever text you have in your document and it allows you to edit your document and whatever text you have in the same font. And another thing that this allows you to do is to underline, highlight, and basically take notes as you're going along with the sticky notes feature. You can add a sticky note anywhere in your documents and you can add little notes and you can click them as you're going along, and this makes interactive notes for you when you're revising all the time. If I'm really busy and I don't want to spend 3 hours writing everything again, sure, I can highlight, I can underline, I can add text boxes, I can write some stuff, I can edit it, I can add arrows. Okay, so the next thing I want to talk about is watermarks. Updf has a feature where you can add watermarks of all different sizes, of different opacities, of different types, and you can add these different watermarks onto your documents, and this allows your work to not be stolen by somebody else and you to get full credit for your work because nobody likes their work being stolen. And this allows you to customize it, put in any font you like, in any size you like, allows you to customize every aspect of your watermark. And yeah, it's really good if you don't want to get your work stolen or if you're an artist or somebody
somebody who makes really important, commercial work. If you want to improve your work efficiency or you want to see your grades getting higher to the sky, then use UPDF, okay? And right now they're having a back to school event, and this is only starting for a limited time. So make sure to go grab the discount, which is in my description and in the pinned comment. Only for a limited time, so grab it before it's out. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!